Badhane Namaskar. In the last two videos of this playlist, we learnt to read and write the vowels of the Gujarati alphabet. In this video, we'll get started with the first row of consonants. These consonants are called as kanthyas, which means all 5 of them are uttered from the pit of the throat. Notice as we write it, how each sound comes from the pit of the throat. The first one is ka. It is written like this. Ka, 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 ka. The next consonant in this row of consonants is a Mahaprana variant of ka, which is uttered with a lot of expulsion of air, and this is uttered as kha. This is kha. Make sure that you do not confuse it with a. This is slightly different. A. Kha. I'm sorry, this is kha. 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 The next consonant is a softer version from the pit of the throat again. This is a Sarala Shabda, as it is called. It is ga. It is written like this. Ga. 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 The next consonant, you might guess it, is the Mahaprana variant of ga, which is gha. The tip starts like this, curved. This is gha. 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 The final consonant in any row of consonants is a nasal sound called as an anunasika vyanjana, and this is uttered through the nose, but it comes from the same place as the pit of the throat. So this is nga. This is the same sound that you find in the middle of the word ganga. Between the ga in the beginning and the ga at the end, there is nga. It is written like this. Nga. 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 With this, we have seen how to read and write all the 5 consonants in the first row of consonants of the Gujarati alphabet. See you in the next video. Namaskaram.